Alright, let's go for a drive. The drone is really bad, around 12 to 1500 RPMs. So we're gonna go around the block and see if you can hear it. It's pretty loud right now. I don't know if this camera's picking it up or not. Yeah, it's pretty reverby. Alright, manually in second gear, 2000 RPMs, 1500. No, I can't get it to keep on. Yeah, slowing down to a light, it's pretty loud. Or a stop sign here. Yeah. Accelerating away is not too bad. No sound difference at all. Once you get over that 1500 RPMs, it's fine. Until then, it's not comfortable. And the worst thing being is if you're sitting at a light, foot on the brake, idling, waiting for a light to go green, it just sits there and hums and hums and hums, and it is very annoying. So I don't know, see if you can hear it on the video. It's not very comfortable in the car. Sitting at a light, I'll put it in neutral or actually go back to using start, but we shall see. I think it might be gone once the wife hears it, but I'll let you guys know.